This is Kodich Ward in North Pokot. Beehives are placed in different locations, ready for beekeeping. Residents in this area prefer beekeeping to livestock keeping as their livelihood today. This is due to rampant cattle rustling activities which has affected this area for years and has hindered the growth of livestock in this region. Lucy Maira is one of the residents from this area who has ventured into beekeeping as an economic activity to sustain her family.
Tuliona ufugaji ni ya kusumbuliwa kwa sababu kame iko na wanahamisha msinga uwezi hamisha. Inaongojea tu mpaka siku ile mvua inanyesha, nyuki inaingia kwa mzinga na inaunda asali.
Maira is not alone. Different groups has ventured into beekeeping that is backdated in 2006, with only few locals embrace the practice. Locals are now practicing beekeeping, which is becoming dominant in Pokot. This is after sensitization by Kerio Valley Development Authority. Honeycombs is gold mine at Kodich Ward. It is collected and processed into wax and honey. Solomon Lucain, who is a beneficiary of beekeeping, explained how it has benefited his family.
Vile imenisaidia kama mkulima, hii asali ndio ilitusaidia sana. Tunapotoa na kuhusia kwa kividia kama tumeshaitengeneza kuwa kwa mafuta. So inakuwa inatusaidia na tukalipia watoto school fees na ikalisha jamii.
Farmers involved in beekeeping, however, are facing some challenges due to drought, leading to drying of trees and flowers that leads to decrease in the production of honey. Samuel Kosgei, the Director of Business Development at KVDA, said the main production is done in Korocho after processing honey sourced.
We have our factory which is situated in Rokocho, and Rokocho is between Kabarnet and Iten. That is where the main production is done. After processing the honey which we source from Pokot, that's parts of Baringo and West Pokot.
According to Kosgei, sweet honey is packaged into different sizes that is affordable to their customers at different prices. There are major market outlets at the supermarket chains in different areas and individuals where they purchase to them at a wholesale price. In North Pokot region, beekeeping is more profitable than livestock keeping as it has raised the living standard of most farmers who practice this activity. Reporting from North Pokot region, I am Dorcas Owino.